Hey guys, aka Eddie Ed on Cars. Okay, today we're going to do a quick 60-second review and 10 facts of the Garrett G25-585 Turbo. Most people don't think these turbos are much bigger than hybrid turbos. However, you can see the massive difference between the hybrid turbo on the right and the Garrett turbo on the left, especially the hot side. These turbos can produce up to 585 horsepower, but in most cases will make between 450 and 475 brake horsepower. They're suitable for engines between 1.4 litre and 3 litre. The Gen 2 turbos have about 10% more airflow than the Gen 1s. However, the turbos internals are swappable between Gen 1 and Gen 2. They produce up to 15 to 20% better flow than the GTX series. Their compact size makes the housing smaller versus Berg Warner. These turbos feature dual symmetric ball bearing turbos. They have speeds up to 185,000 RPM. Wow.
For 10 interesting things in less than 60 seconds. Guys, I hope you like this quick fire video. I made it because I couldn't find a lot of other reviews and detailed looks at this particular product. If you want to see what else is going on my car along with this, please check out the link above. And if you like the content, a subscribe is always appreciated. Catch you on the flip side.